Hello guys, this video is about the famous holy and divine place, a small temple of Lord Shiva hidden in the Himalayas. It provides a rare opportunity for any trekker to bathe in hot water spring where everything around is covered in snow. So let's visit Kheer Ganga. So this is a story of my 4 friends coming from South India, 2 of them from Kerala and others from Tamil Nadu. And they had never seen snow or Himalayas in their life. It was a tough and breathtaking trek for them as we suddenly planned for this trek with no proper planning. Being a local, we were confident about reaching top and crossing snow easily, but for them, it was their first snow experience and you can say worst as well. Wet shoes, no sticks in hand, one skid and death is all they were imagining. On one side, they were happy and afraid on another. Now what to do? They had travelled so far to see Himalayas, so they were out of options. Only destination, reaching at the top, was the goal. Although this trek is easy in summers, but in winters, it's a different story. It's as beautiful a trek it is as it is difficult in winters. So you plan accordingly with preparations. There were no mobile signals, battery discharge is also very common there. All around there was huge snowfall, broken tents and lot of snowfall. There makes this trek tough and adventurous. You can sleep in the lap of Himalayas with night bonfire there. Either take your own tents or pay a reasonable amount to the existing tent owners. They will provide you with food and blankets and other stuff. Natural hot water spring makes this place a real sacred Lord Shiva experience. The shiny mountains, rays of sun falling over like Tyndall effect with cool breeze makes this place and trek an indelible experience. According to the localites, it was the time when Lord Shiva asked their son Kartikeya and Ganesh to travel around the world. Lord Ganesha, thinking that the whole world lies at his parents' feet, he circumferenced around them, while Lord Kartikeya embarked on this journey of the world tour. Impressed by Ganesha's wit, Shiva made him the king. Years after Kartikeya returned home, he saw that Ganesh was made the king and was enjoying all the powers and facilities. He had expected being an elder brother. Frustrated and angry, he went to the cave, which is in Kheer Ganga, for deep meditation. Later, Shiva and Parvati came here to take Kartikeya home. Out of love for his son, goddess Parvati made the kheer, rice pudding, flow from the mountain Kheer Ganga, which literally translates to the river of rice pudding. If you're planning a Kheer Ganga trek or have any questions, doubts, then do comment and you will be answered. If you like the content of the video and want to see downhill trek of Kheer Ganga or some other videos, then do subscribe the channel. Drop your comments and don't forget to share the video. Guys, this trek is peaceful, safe and adventurous where one can grab millions worth of happiness within themselves.